Okay, so the Mellon College of Science Teaching Club was founded a few years ago by a few students who were interested in making sure that they had all the teaching tools at their disposal and all the teaching experiences that would allow them to be effective teachers once they got out into the job market.
The Sciences Teaching Club is a great way for students to gain experience teaching, learn pedagogy. It provides a forum for us to get feedback from one another and from experts in the field. We frequently have workshops that we either learn how to understand the students we're teaching, such as understanding the millennial generation. We have talks that feature guest speakers from all different aspects of teaching, small universities, small colleges, primarily undergraduate colleges, primarily women colleges, all kinds of different places, different people come to talk to us.
Before the Mellon College of Science Teaching Club was officially formed, some of us had gotten together and thought that we would like to do some sort of outreach in the community and start talking to maybe some high schools or even some middle schools and see if we couldn't do a little bit of tutoring or kind of get a feel for some of the city students. And Dr. Newell Washburn, who is actually in the chemistry department, had done this, I guess, when he was a graduate student, was really gung-ho about it. So we got in touch with him and he helped us organize some weekly tutoring sessions with a couple of the area high schools.
We had an outreach to some, I think, 4th graders or 6th graders, I forget. But they were fantastic kids from the Winchester Thurston School in Shadyside. So they basically came and had kind of a whodunit kind of problem. And so they were trying to figure out who killed somebody or who did something. And we had managed to collect the DNA of the culprit from the scene of the crime, but it was actually strawberry DNA. And then these kids had the opportunity to basically learn how to run a PCR and read a gel, and from there put 2 and 2 together to figure out, which suspect was the one who, did the crime.
One thing that was really a lot of fun was I went as a judge to the science fair, and the science fair is held at Heinz Field, so it's this huge thing, and it's grade school all the way through high school, and everyone puts together a little poster, and I did the junior senior biology division, and basically you just go around as a judge and you ask students questions about their project and kind of try and see what the depth of their knowledge is.
We've sponsored small awards for outstanding students at these science fairs, things like that. And so that's the way that I've tried to move my expertise or training out into the kind of general public to help try to grow science and math generally in younger high school students or elementary school students. And that's been really rewarding as well. It's a completely different world when you get outside of the bubble of academia and you get to see what people are actually doing.